Is not sure then. Oh, okay. Did anything leak here during the rain, during the rainy days?
Yeah.
So just from here, right? But none from the roof.
Because I already have plan, right?
Yeah.
I can close this one with the terpal, like this.
Yeah.
And I can
Yeah.
before you and
Yeah.
this one.
Actually, we intentionally left this open so there would be some air. Yeah. To make it cool. Yeah. Any problem with the door?
Oh yeah.
What happened to the door? Yeah.
Because it's like, and when we hear,
Yeah.
it's like, it's already good, right?
Yeah.
So I set the door besides another.
Oh, it's on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
said I don't to drop.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So at least it could be put back. Yeah, okay.
Your guess, this one, I still have here.
Yeah.
This one.
No problem. No problem. Yeah.
The problem is this one too. So only 1 week I'm working here is already problem. The water can drop.
Okay. Not sure why, but that has been. We asked someone to clean those up. So before someone moved here, we asked everything to move, even the water, the drainage. They pumped it out. I'm not sure. Yeah. Thank you for keeping the house pretty clean.
Yeah, because you give me time to stand here until 31. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's like say thank you before we go. We must clean.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So where are your things now? Did you sell those or you transfer it to other?
Just go back in my country.
But how about your things? Did you sell it or did you just give it to your brother? Oh, so there's some leaks here. Some leaks. Yeah.
Before I want to start cooking here,
Yeah.
but I think it's not too lucky. So I think this. Oh, it's good place because the big and not hot, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, so this is hotter.
Yeah, then use it to the street.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. So that's the door. Okay. So what's that? You're hide something on the messenger. Are you that person?
Yeah, because I hard to chat with English. It's
Yeah.
more easy for me when I call and talk because
Yeah.
I don't know when I want to chat, right? It's
Yeah.
not me confusion.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, if we couldn't understand, sometimes we use translator.
Yeah.
Google Translator.
Yeah, but when I call, it's more easy.
So it seems like no one was living here. So why did you get two houses?
Okay.
So it seems like you didn't use this space. So that's the door. Yeah. This is just a visual inspection actually. I'll have someone look at this in more detail. Anyone else up? Could I look at upstairs? Actually, this used to be a cooler place, but we closed that upper portion. Yeah, this used to be like an airflow space. But we closed that because most of the lessees
Yeah.
want to use that place as like a storage area.
If you don't close this one, I think it's problem with the pouring rice. It's water can.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Seems like it wasn't used. No one stayed here on this house.
No one.
No one?
Because half staff sometime.
Oh.
Here is Filipino staff, right?
Yeah. So they stay here sometimes, but most of the time they don't. Oh, okay. How are the Filipino staff? Are they okay?
Before is we have 3.
Are they good to you? Were they nice?
Huh?
Were they good?
Yeah. 3 people.
You didn't encounter any attitude problems?
Yeah.
No, nothing?
Of course, but yeah. It's,
Anyone here? No. Oh, sorry. Maybe it's occupied.
yeah, you want.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'll just drop by another day. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, we have problems sometimes about gitu.
Yeah, attitude. It's the same actually. Any race.
Different,
Sometimes
you
you
know.
will encounter
It's
problems
very
with
different.
people.
I don't have to fight to work. It's like
Yeah.
lazy. I don't know.
Yeah. Could we look at upstairs of
Yeah.
Unit A? Yeah. And no worries, I won't enter the room if it's occupied. No worries. Is it occupied? No, no, no. Okay. This could actually handle several double deck.
We already clear here.
Oh, thank you. There are people there, right? No problem. Yeah, let them check. Yeah, let them stay. I'm just trying to see what's maybe the potential problems because I have to talk to the contractor. Yeah. So you don't use cars here, mostly motorcycles. You use mostly motorcycles here in Philippines. You don't use cars.
Done.
No. Yeah.
And the first time saya kontrak